Alright guys, I got my tea that my wife made for me. I had a piece of cake. And then there was a $14 Publix, 10 items, probably 2 miles. So just trying to get to like maybe 110. And then I'll start being kind of like selective, try to get a $30, $40 order after that. But you know, around 110 bucks. You know, if I could do that before 3 o'clock, you know, I'll be good with that. And then we can always, you know, use the other apps to make, you know, pick off of, do like food deliveries afterwards or whatnot. So let's go to Publix. All right, so I got the items. I'm opening this bag because she put the sushi with the bread, which is fine, but all she had to do is put like the sushi on the bottom, and she tied this bag up. Like, come on, bro. Like, look how she, like, it's, I don't know, bro. Maybe she eats sushi and she doesn't care. I don't know, but I don't personally know if this customer's gonna care or whatnot. I'm gonna put it on top. These are the little things that can lose you, you know, some great comments, or I don't know, whatever. Put everything in this bag right here. Here's my bag. I got everything in there. I mean, I'm not perfect, you know, but I mean, if it happens to fall like in transit, all right, but like don't put it sideways. That's like putting it upside down. All right, because they had ice cream and chicken, so we got that zipped up to keep it as cold as possible. All right, and then they added like 2 more things, so they said it was gonna be like 17 instead of 14. So I'm cool with that, as long as they not ordering non-stop while I'm there, you know. All right, so let's go. All right, it's 1:16. We just dropped it off. Customer requested to leave it on the chair. And oh, I forgot. So leave it on the chair, something like that. So I took a picture, left it on the chair. I was supposed to meet with them, and so that one went up to $17.77. From $11.02 tip, it went to $11.72. So we are at $79.40 today. Not bad, not bad. Almost 3 o'clock, and we're almost to where we need to be at. So let's keep going. All right, guys, I just got a $26 to customer Publix, same Publix. I don't even remember the miles, bro. I saw 20. So I just got to the Publix, and the customer writes this, the one that only had 1 item. All right, so we got the other items. As you saw, one of the customers canceled, so it took me a little longer to do this order because I completed the other one. But when you cancel an order, it's not like you just hit a cancel button. They want you to talk to support, and you got to go through the process, send them messages, blah, 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 blah. So I was sitting there with the other lady's order that was already completed. had an ice screen, so I went back and changed the ice screen, got another one, and now I'm on my way. So let's go drop this order off and see how much the order goes down. All right, so we finished that one.
Go past the stop sign.
That was at, like I said, 26. Sorry, I'm everywhere. I'm trying to turn and stuff. So let's see what that came out to. All right, so we got 29.27. Let's see if Y.
At the stop sign, turn
So
right
the batch
onto
pay
Southwest
was
152nd Avenue.
8.48. The tip went based off percentage of order. Tip from cancel order was removed. So I don't know. I don't see. They don't have nothing visible there that shows why it went from 26.29, unless it's because whatever I ordered was a little bit more. I mean, whatever. Oh yeah. Well, we did add something that she wanted that wasn't on the order, so that's probably why. But if that other order would have had the the tip, I don't know, because yeah. Oh yeah. So I lost. So it went up, and then I lost $2 and
right
like $1 and change. Because from 22 it went down to 20 because they removed the tip from the second one, because she wanted it canceled. She didn't want me to take it to her. So if the batch pay would have been better, it would have been better. But it is what it is. So we are at 108.67 so far. 218. That's kind of where I want to be, or better by this time.